Okay, so quick video on the Porsche 2002 in for our water leak procedure. So we're just going to show you what we've found so far. We have checked inside the car. Inside the car there doesn't seem to be any water in any of the footwells, so that's a really good sign. So if we just focus on the first leak we've found straight away is the door membrane. So what we're going to do is we've got a lever bar down here. My colleague's just going to pour a bit of water down. So it should come out at the bottom of the door, which it is doing. But if we look closely, we can see that it's leaking here through the door membrane. What that would then cause is to fill up on this rubber. Once it fills up on this rubber, it will then go down, obviously, into the wells. So that's that one now. We recommend to do both sides because they're the same sort of age. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit of water down in this little drainage section here, and then we will show you where it's leaking behind the headlining. Oh, right, okay. Right, okay, so this is the join. As we can see there, the join its actual self, you can see a bit of water. Just if I wiggle that, just here. So it hasn't been sealed properly. The problem is this one has sealant on it. The driver's side doesn't have any sealant on it, but we can see on the driver's side that we've got slightly play on there. So I would advise obviously sealing both of them there. But there we go. So we can see it's starting to leak in now. So there we go. So we'll make sure we catch that water so it doesn't go obviously on the carpet. So we've got a towel there which is catching all of that there. So there we go. So that's what we've found so far. We also recommend to clean out the cassette because I don't know if you can see there, but there's a lot of dirt in that cassette. So what that would do is when the rainwater obviously gathers in the cassette, it would push that down the pipes. So there we go. So that's everything we've found on this one here.